Okay, gaskets run inside, just inside of the bolts. Alright, so if you look on the oil pan itself, look at the gap between where the bolt is and the sealing face. It's about maybe 3/32 there from the bolt to there. So I think I got it in the exact spot you want. Don't forget these 1, 2 little O-ring guys. These let the oil drain back like nicely into the. And again, oil selection. Anios does make a 0W20 Racing Street. The Racing is just a very high quality base stock, higher than their normal full synthetic oil. There is 0W50 for the track guys. Get that added engine protection, and again, very high quality base. And then they have their regular grades, 540 we use for European stuff. They do have 520. They also make a great transmission fluid. So if you guys are looking for an oil recommendation, this is the stuff that we use in our personal cars, and so far so good. We will be doing some oil analysis as well. After the same oil that I drained out that was all glittery, I'm going to get that analyzed by WearTech, and I will definitely post the results. Hey guys, I'm out here in the showroom just doing a quick follow-up video from the last oil pan fiasco we were dealing with. Did have some people asking me questions about what sealant to use. So two things. So this is the Toyota IPG. This is from Toyota, specifically made for oil pans and whatnot. Does work good. This is anaerobic, I believe, type sealant. Wait, stinky one. I don't know. Didn't use it yet. And this is the stuff I like to use. It's called the Right Stuff 1 Minute Gasket Maker. This is great for mechanics. It's literally just like glue. You probably don't even need bolts to hold it all together. That's what I use on my oil pan. It does meet OEM specs, and I can tell you from personal experience, it does outperform most OE gasket products. This is the FPIG form. Alright, form in place gasket. This orange one? Oh, this is a transmission sealant. Never mind, that's not the right one. But it'll be something just like this for the oil pan. But I do prefer the Right Stuff. Okay, so we've done another track day on this oil since changing it and cleaning the pickup. So I just wanted to look at the color. It looks really clear. I don't see anything on it. What's that right there? I don't know what that is. Probably a piece of dust, but it looks pretty good so far. So we'll just continue to monitor it and see if we find any other stuff in the oil. But for now I think we're looking good. Hopefully it's resolved with that. We can keep ripping it. Check out the willies on there, looking fly. Shout out to our sponsors, Fast Wheels, Track One, G-Lock, Anios of course, helping us make things work. Also stay tuned. Our website, will be launching our license plate bracket on our website in the next couple days, so I'll post up on social media when we get that done.